1 year nila to be prepared. Hello, Yufem! How are you feeling?
Speechless.
Speechless. Bakit speechless yung ating groom?
Kompleto attendance.
Kompleto. Well, anyways, ano po ba yung nararamdaman natin ngayon na yung iyon na buo si beautiful Abby?
Wala na. Naligaw na. Ligaw na.
One word to describe your wife.
Realist.
Ano?
Mixed relations.
Ano daw? Okay, how about you, Abby? How are you feeling? Yung iyon na buo si Yufem.
Of course, I'm grateful. It's because he is really the man that I asked God with. All the characteristics, personalities. And I have nothing to worry about because siya din is real friend.
Wow. So, ano po ba yung nararamdaman natin?
Of course, I am overwhelmed with the presence of everyone, especially my immediate families, our closest friends. This is the wedding that I ever dreamed of. This is the wedding of people who really matter to us.
Wow. Isang pagpaswerte nga dyan, couple, isang 5 seconds kiss para sa aming lahat. In 3, 2, 1, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi pa lang yan. Una pa lang yan, mga kaibigan, mamaya. Marami pang isip-isip na mangyayari. Well, ano siya, may so many goods na kayo.